Hi, welcome to Flower of the Day series. I'm Deepika, a floral alchemist and an intuitive energy healer. Today's flower is known as Angel's Trumpet. Angel's Trumpet is a very beautiful flower that represents transformation and rebirth in one's life. It helps us to release those attachments that does not serve us in our lives and go with life's flow with more ease and grace. It comes to us when we surrender to the joy of our inner being. It also helps us in one's spiritual growth. Gently close your eyes. Imagine the angel trumpet flower in front of you, soaking in its energy, in its vibrant energy, helping you release, surrender to it, and allow the events in your life to occur with more ease and grace. Visualize the flower energy essence surrounding you completely in your auric field. Helping you go through the transformation in your lives. And free your soul, releasing any and all things that doesn't serve you anymore. Wonderful. Take a deep breath and gently open your eyes. If you like this video, do share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.